Good evening aspirants, my name is Ankit Sharma and today we are going to discuss one of the important topic, and this topic is in the headlines of the prominent newspapers of India, and the topic is unemployment and measurement. इस लेक्चर में हम आज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के बारे में समझेंगे और जानेंगे. So before jumping into the topic, there are several questions that need to be answered. Number one question is that if you are studying, are you considered as unemployed? क्या अगर आप if you are preparing for a particular exam, are you considered as unemployed? This is one of the important question and this is one of the major question. This question needs an answer. क्या जब आप किसी एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो, क्या आप अनएम्प्लॉयड हो? जब भी आप किसी एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो you are studying. You are not a part of the labor force. You are not seeking a job. When you are preparing for a particular exam, you are not a part of the labor force. Actually, you are studying. But if you are able and willing to do work and still can't find a job on a prevailing wage rate, that is considered as unemployment. And that is unemployment is. So what is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation in which a person is able and willing to do work but still can't find a job on a prevailing wage rate. फिर से सुन लो, on a prevailing wage rate is called unemployment. Unemployment, remember, unemployment is always expressed in labor force, not on the whole population. Remember that. Remember again, unemployment is always expressed in labor force. And what is this labor force? उसको आज हम पढ़ेंगे. तो सबसे पहले आपको unemployment की definition पता होनी चाहिए. What is unemployment? It is a situation in which a person is able and also willing to do work but still can't find a job on a particular wage rate is called as unemployment. Remember aspirants, this is one of the important topics. अगर आप इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पढ़ रहे हो तो वहां पर आपको इन टर्म्स के साथ आपका एनकाउंटर हो सकता है, और ये टर्म्स काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रहती है जब भी इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पढ़ने की बात आती है. तो इकोनॉमी में जब आप इकोनॉमिक सर्वे पढ़ोगे तो आपको अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट वर्ड बार बार दिखेगा, और उस बार बार जब आपको दिखेगा तब आपको ये पता होना चाहिए ये क्या है. तो इट इज दैट सिचुएशन इन विच अ पर्सन इज एबल और विलिंग टू डू वर्क बट स्टिल कांट फाइंड अ जॉब ऑन ए पर्टिकुलर वेज रेट या प्रिवेलिंग वेज रेट. जो प्रिवेलिंग वेज रेट चल रहा है उस पे उसको अगर नहीं मिलता है काम, तब वो अनएम्प्लॉयड या अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट उसको कहा जाता है. रिमेंबर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, unemployment is always expressed in labor force. Again, very very important, याद रखना, it is always expressed, unemployment is always expressed in labor force. What is this labor force? Labor force means number of persons willing to do work. This is called a labor force. Suppose for example, if I say there are 130 crore people and out of these 130 crore 35 crore is a labor force, what does it mean? What does it mean? That means 35 crore persons are willing to do work. That means this number is very low. Willing to do work. This is labor force. Again, you have to remember, unemployment is always expressed in labor force, not on whole population. Remember again, this is very very important concept. ये आपको समझना चाहिए, आपको अंडरस्टैंड होना चाहिए कि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हमेशा लेबर फोर्स पे ही एक्सप्रेस होती है, टोटल पॉपुलेशन पर हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं निकाल सकते. तो दिस ऑलवेज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन लेबर फोर्स. अब लेबर फोर्स में क्या एज ग्रुप होगा? कौन कौन सा एज ग्रुप लेबर फोर्स में आता है? फ्रॉम ईयर्स 15 to 59 years. This age group belong to the labor force and this unemployment is always based on labor force. Very very important. अगर आप एबल हो और आप चाहते हो नौकरी करना प्रिवेलिंग वेज रेट पे, फिर भी आपको अगर नौकरी नहीं मिल रही है तो उसको हम अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट कहते हैं. और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हमेशा एक्सप्रेस होती है लेबर फोर्स पे. अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट को अगर मेजर करना है तो हम उसको लेबर फोर्स पर मेजर कर सकते हैं, टोटल पॉपुलेशन पे नहीं कर सकते. लेबर फोर्स में कौन कौन सा एज ग्रुप आता है? 15 to 59 years. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ what is this labor force participation rate? Very very important. This labor force participation rate क्या है? If you are studying economic survey, so this term is again going to be very important. What is a labor force participation rate and how it is measured? Very very important. What is this? अगर एग्जाम में LFPR का फॉर्मूला पूछा है तो दैट मींस लेबर फोर्स पार्टिसिपेशन रेट. व्हाट इज दिस लेबर फोर्स पार्टिसिपेशन रेट? लेबर फोर्स पार्टिसिपेशन रेट इक्वल्स टू लेबर फोर्स अपॉन टोटल पॉपुलेशन into 100 and you get LFPR. Very important. What is the formula to calculate this LFPR? Labor force participation rate. LFPR equals to labor force upon total population into 100. And this data, according to NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization of India, data 2011-12, this LFPR is 36%. That means only the 36% of the total population is willing to do work. Very very important. What is this LFPR? Labor force upon total population into 100, and according to the NSSO data 2011 and 12, this LFPR is only 36%. That means this 36% of the total population is willing to do work, and on this LFPR we can measure employment and unemployment. Very very important. What is this labor force? How to calculate this labor force? Very very important. Labor force equals to workforce plus number of unemployed. This is the formula of the labor force. Workforce means who are willing, number of persons willing to do work या able to do work, plus number of unemployed means कि इतने लोग unemployed हैं. Workforce मतलब willing to do work plus number of unemployed. If you have to calculate the unemployment, the formula is number of unemployed upon labor force into 100. And what is the formula of employment? Equals to workforce upon labor force into 100, and on the basis of this LFPR we calculated the unemployment and employment. Remember again, unemployment and employment is expressed on the labor force, not on the total population. Remember again, जब भी unemployment और employment को measure करना है तो total population से employment और unemployment measure नहीं होती है, labor force से हम employment और unemployment को measure करते हैं. So what is unemployment and what is this LFPR? Unemployment is that situation in which a person is able and willing to do work but still can't find a job is termed as unemployment. Remember, unemployment is always measured on the labor force, not on the total population. What is the criteria? We have studied it. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. आने वाले लेक्चर्स में हम इसको और ब्रॉड पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.